Turbo Trading with head trader Robert Knight, MBA.
Okay, this is a live video on the charting of AUPH. It's had a pretty strong move from 1070 up close to its resistance level here at 1043. Traded to it's 1038 right now. It's made this big long wick up and closed near the bottom. Now, if this next candle goes red, we would expect this market to sell off and trade lower, because it's a big spike up. So the bears are trying to take control. It could be a short squeeze, and then the shorts sell into the shorts covering. And I mean, we don't know. I mean, we're filming this live. So let's see what happens. But look at the volume we got here on this spike. If this next candle goes red, then you would expect it to trade lower. Now let's see. I'll have a look at the level 2 and see what it's doing. I've drawn in the resistance line here at 1043. We had this big long wick up, but we're just still getting some follow through. But look at the volume, much lower. It needs much more volume than that for it to break out. But if it can get up through this 1043, 1050 area, I mean, that's a big breakout for it. You could, I mean, it could, $12 could be a move for it. Strong rising channel. It's not getting much volume here at this level, though. So in the AUPH here, we had this big long wick up, close the bottom one, huge volume. And then the next two candles here, not much volume, but right up against resistance here at the 1043. This could, if this breaks down below this level here, 1020, then it's rolling over and going back down 10 and 990. See what happens here. Okay, again, you see the volume here on this AUPH, not really giving us too much excitement here. Now, one of the things that can happen is you get this big spike up, but it doesn't roll over. So all those that were shorting it, they're now giving it support because they're short and they see that it's not backing off the way they thought it would. So there could be some, could give it some support. But as the market, as the buying dries up, then unless they get a big kick in here, this probably starts to fall under its own weight. We don't know. Let's see what happens here. Okay, on the AUPH here, we're coming into the apex of a wedge pattern, and this 43 is the key level for it. So in this case, it looks like maybe the shorts came in and hammered it, but it didn't take it down. We'll see. It still needs to get through 1043. We'll see if it's a topping pattern or not, or if it gets continuation. There was some good news out on it, so it may... Oh yeah, they said M&A speculation. So the stock Did pop out a bit to 1050. Natural resistance, 1043 is this resistance level. It does remain in this rising channel. That's pretty good volume to pop it up there. So maybe it does stay in this big, long, rising channel. It's tough to trade around the resistance level, as we saw on that spike, but continues to go here. Now it could start to get a short squeeze as it breaks out above this level. Still needs volume to go. So AUPH now, it is in this rising channel and it's broken out over that resistance level. So this now probably has continuation. This pattern, it didn't negate the way I thought it would. We had a big spike up close, down at the bottom of the range. You would, if the next candle's red, then that would have rolled over, but it didn't. It held the support, held the trend line. So now the shorts have to cover and watch this thing continue to rise up.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Reach new levels of trading proficiency. Become a member at turbotrading.biz.